Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. If you're using TikTok and your account is currently suspended, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok app and here simply tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on three dots in the top right corner. Then go for settings and privacy. Scroll down and you will get the support option. Simply tap on it. And from here, you just have to scroll down and look for community guidelines. Or if you can't find it, you must have to scroll down and here you will easily get the safety center option. Simply tap on it. And from here, you just have to select the community guidelines option. And here you must have to read all the community guidelines and you have to make sure that you haven't violate anyone. Once you have checked, you just have to go to your home screen and here you will get this message option. Simply tap on it and here you will get the message if your TikTok account is suspended, so you will get the message here. And here you will get the appeal option in front of the message, so you must have to simply tap on that appeal option and follow the process. And once you have appealed, your account will be unsuspended in a few hours. So in this way you can easily fix if your TikTok account is currently suspended. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.